Guys, thank you for joining us again today. Today we are bringing what I believe is our first BMW that we featured on the channel. We have a Frozen Pure Grey BMW G87 M2. This M2 came to us from one of our local clients, and he wanted something aggressive with a slight motorsport look for daily driving and a classic design. We built these wheels in a 20-inch configuration all the way around. On the G87s, you could go with a 21, 22, 19, 20, or a 20 all the way around. We opted for a 20-inch all the way around to get a nice tire on the front and rear instead of going with the 25 series, so he could enjoy this setup without any headaches. The one thing he did request was to maximize the lip size. This VSS07 is in our classic bulge configuration. 20 by 10.5 in the front, 20 by 11.5 in the rear. The fronts are wrapped in a Michelin 4S 285/30/20 tire, while the rear is sporting a 305/30/20 tire. 30 profile front and rear, and this typically will tell you this is our normal setup. This is super aggressive. The client wanted super aggressive. This M2 is lowered on the KW Variant 3 Coilover system with the EDC delete kit. Super aggressive offset. 3.5-inch lips in the back, 3-inch lips in the front. This Frozen Grey, the client opted to go with a full polished setup to match one of his other vehicles. So full polished center with gloss clear, full polish race lips, polished inner barrels. Again, lowered, super aggressive. You can still drive the car without any headaches, but this is a little bit more aggressive than we'll typically opt for. If you are inquiring about any of our wheel setups, talk to your representative at your dealer, or you could call us, talk to us directly, and we can give you the pros and cons and guide you in the right direction. Frozen Pure Grey 20s front and rear, KW V3 suspension. Let us know what you think of this one. Huge fans. We love the way it's set up and happy that we were able to accomplish the goal for the client. The VSS07s are available in a one-piece and several three-piece configurations. They're live now on our website if you want to check those out. Again, any questions, reach us via DM, email, or phone. Thank you guys again for joining us and looking forward to the next one.